Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back with another pocket knife I've just finished up. This is the pocket knife that I was making the handle scales for in the previous video. Um, it is just a simple shadow pattern trapper, and it is 3 3/4 inches long closed, and with it open, it is 6 1/2 inches long. The handle scales are black and neon green G10. I used stainless steel liners, nickel silver pins, and I did a bird's eye style pivot again, and I used a stainless bushing with a nickel silver hinge pin. So it blends mostly, but it's just enough metal difference where you can tell there's two different materials there. The blade and back spring is A2 high carbon steel. I did a 400 grit hand sanded finish. Have some swedges. And this particular pocket knife is the 60th pocket knife that I've made so far. So that's pretty cool. I honestly didn't think I'd ever get this many of them made. Has a nice action on it. It's still a little bit oily from breaking in. I'm smearing that stuff everywhere. Has a nice smooth medium pull. I would give it probably about a 5, possibly a 6. In my hand, I would consider that a 5, but that's just kind of my personal thoughts on it. I didn't do any file work on this one. It's just an everyday carry knife. But overall, it turned out pretty nice. Everything's centered up really nice. Just a nice, clean little EDC. If I can keep the oil off of it. Anyways, if you liked the video, consider giving it a like. If you want to follow along on my knife maker's journey, consider subscribing. I hope y'all's having a good day, and I will talk to you later.